major investment firm.
Oh, yeah? Well, I got a checking register right here a couple of years ago.
And?
And starting in 2007, she made monthly payments to a local cemetery.
For what?
Um,
Yeah, the more we learn about this Virginia, she makes sense.
well, I'm afraid I can't identify a specific vehicle with motor on it. If you had a coffee with a you sure would run to the FBI? I don't expect you to run this one. All of the motor used in this country has the same basic chemical structure, the same chemical makeup. It's a waste of my time, and what? Okay, give it a try. I have a hunch. Based on what? Based on the tire trees I found at the scene, they were biased by, they were awfully narrow. What does that mean? It means a sample. What? I'm interested. Well, that's good. Got a girlfriend yet, Travis? Hold up. What is it? 1,600 parts per million of zinc dioxide phosphate. Is that strange? It's very high. I mean, it's been decades since that amount of phosphorus has been around. You're talking all oil.